Hello, my wonderful friend. Let's talk about how to win a girl's heart fast and make her yours forever. If you've ever been in a failed relationship, you know how painful it is, right? The broken dreams, the broken confidence, the shattered self-esteem, and that feeling of intense loneliness. How can you avoid that? How can you avoid any more failed relationships and instead melt her heart, win her heart, and make her yours forever? I'm about to let you in on a secret that most people will never know. Attracting a woman is very different from winning her heart. You can attract her all day long without winning her heart. Attracting her is what turns her head. It's what kind of lights that spark. It's what keeps the spark alive throughout the relationship. It's what helps her get interested in you at the very start and then stay interested throughout the relationship. However, she can be interested without being in love with you. But when you also win her heart, that's what makes her want to have a relationship with you. That's what makes her want to spend her life loving you, being true to you, falling more and more in love with you each and every day. That's the power of winning her heart, making her fall in love with you. Now, the problem is most people focus on just attracting her and not on also winning her heart. And attracting her is good, but it only gets you so far. And then at that point, many people try to throw in some mind games as a cop-out. It's like a fad diet. You get results fast, and then all of a sudden you have so many more problems that you didn't have to start with. So mind games are not the way to do it. This is why so many men are frustrated and hurt from these failed relationships, because they're getting bad advice that doesn't help you. You need to focus on learning how to win her heart. And as a coach who teaches you how to attract a lasting, loving relationship, you're in the right place, because this is what I'm all about. So make sure you stay with me to the end of this video. And if you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe and ring that notification bell. My name is Melannie. I'm a Christian dating coach for men and your go-to source to learn how to attract a loving, lasting relationship with the kind of woman who loves the real you and without mind games and drama. So make sure you subscribe and ring that notification bell. And if you're interested in learning more about working with me and my coaching program to attract your loving, lasting relationship, make sure you go to coachmelannie.com. I'll put a link in the description below. As we dive into how to win a girl's heart forever, I'm going to mention 2 other videos that are going to help you so much with this. Make sure you watch this video on how to make her fall in love and this video on how to be a sexy man. Both of these are definitely going to help you understand how to win her heart as well. Now, I have 4 tips for how to win a girl's heart forever without mind games and without drama, so that she'll love you forever. So with that, let's dive in. Tip number 1 for how to win a girl's heart is you need to understand that she is looking for a man who is interesting and intelligent. No one wants to marry someone who's super boring. That sounds awful, right? To marry someone who's boring and uninteresting. So she wants you to be an interesting person, but she also wants you to be someone who's mature, a mature, equal partner. This is why intelligence is also so important. Now, as singles, it's so easy to focus so much on finding the one for you that you forget who you really are. You forget to have other interesting things you're doing and you're involved in. And someone who's just obsessed with marriage and finding the one is not very interesting, and it doesn't add to your intelligence at all. Where if you have those hobbies and interests, that's what makes you super attractive. As humans, that's just how we're built. We are attracted to people who are interesting, just like you're attracted to women who are mature and intelligent and interesting as well. This is something that helps keep the spark alive long term. A lot of people talk about losing the spark once they get married. Well, if you keep up on the right habits and you're doing the right things, that spark never dies. So you want to start right now being that interesting, intelligent person. For instance, one way to do this, something I encourage my clients to do in my academy, Attracting Lasting Love Academy, is to create a list of things you are currently interested in and some things maybe you think you would enjoy trying out, some hobbies, some interests, and then make sure you actually schedule that in. What gets scheduled gets done. What does not get scheduled does not get done. So make sure that's a priority in your life. The second thing you need to know for how to win a girl's heart is that she wants a man who shows affection for her. You want a woman who makes you feel loved, right? She makes you feel attractive, and she shows that affection for you. She gives you that warm butterfly, happy feeling. That's what she wants as well. She wants to know that she's appreciated and respected and treasured and cared for. Now, many people overthink this, and it causes them to be creepy, aggressive, and needy. Far too many people focus on being super sexy or overly romantic, and it ends up just being sappy and cheesy. And again, that makes you needy, that makes you aggressive, that makes you creepy. It really is the little things that count. For instance, something I love, it's one of my favorite things to teach in my academy, is the power of flirting and how to flirt effectively. When you really understand the effective way to flirt, holy cow, that's how you give her butterflies. That's how you get butterflies. That's how you make the relationship exciting. You light that spark and you kind of like throw gas on the flames and you keep the spark alive. It's those little ways that you can show affection for her that make her feel amazing and make you feel amazing and make the relationship so much better. Flirting is one of the best ways to show her affection, to come closer as a couple, and to win her heart forever. And flirting is something you should do through your entire relationship. It's not something you just do to get the girl. So now is the time to learn how to flirt effectively and start practicing it so you become really good at flirting. By the way, when you are serious about skipping the guessing game and just knowing step by step how to win her heart, how to have a lasting, loving relationship without mind games and without drama, Attracting Lasting Love Academy has the secrets you must know. You'll discover everything from how to flirt and approach to how to have the right mindset, skyrocket your confidence, and show her that you are the man of her dreams. If you've ever struggled knowing what to say to women or how to read her body language or how to keep her interested in a relationship long term, then these are the secrets you need to know. And trust me, it's going to rock your world. To learn more about this, what I teach, and why it works, make sure you watch my free masterclass. Just go to coachmelannie.com/masterclass. There's also a link in the description below. Make sure you watch this free training now because it is going away soon and I don't want you to miss it. If you're serious about finally having the love that you deserve, it's time for you to just know how to have it, right? So make sure you watch that today. In all seriousness, who wouldn't want the answers up front? That's like best case scenario, right? That's what my academy is all about. So watch that masterclass right away. The next thing you need to know about how to win a girl's heart is that she wants a man who communicates well. Communication is incredibly important to women. It's actually one of the biggest things a woman looks for in a husband. This means when a man communicates well, it totally makes him stand out from the crowd and wins her heart so quickly. Some of the most important ways to communicate well is through showing interest in her, so pursuing her. Also in just your small talk, how you talk to her, what you talk to her about, and how you react when she's talking to you. So many times when a woman will ghost you or not want another date or turn you down, it's a communication problem. It's because you're not communicating with her accurately. For instance, when you tell her you have feelings for her too soon, or you make her feel awkward when you ask her out or approach her, these things make her feel uncomfortable. That communication is lacking and it causes the relationship to just die. However, when you take the initiative to learn how to communicate well with her, that's how you sweep her off her feet. That's how you win her heart. That's how you finally have that communication, and you can have a relationship that can succeed instead of fail miserably. This is why I spend so much time teaching my clients in my academy how to do these things. So instead of making her feel awkward, you can instead sweep her off her feet forever. Quick question before we get to our next tip. Are you enjoying this video? I've actually never done a video on how to win a girl's heart. Should I make more? If I should, comment win her heart in the comments below. Your feedback helps me so much, so thank you. Again, if this is something you want more of, comment win her heart in the comments below. Okay, my next tip is going to surprise a lot of people. The next thing you need to know about how to win a girl's heart forever is that she is looking for a man with moral integrity. Can I just be very blunt for a minute? Can we just agree that that's okay? Far too many people focus far too much on the bedroom and not enough on who you are as a person. Be honest with me for a moment. Do you want her to love you? Do you want her to love the real you, who you are inside? Well, then that's what you need to focus on. You need to focus on who you really are. How would you feel if you gave a woman your heart and then you found out she wasn't loyal to you, or she wasn't kind, or she was judgmental of who you are? It would crush you, right? Well, the same is true for her. She's looking for a man who has moral integrity, a man who keeps himself morally clean. And yes, that means waiting until marriage, okay? No ifs, ands, or buts. She is looking for a man who will be gentle with her, who will be kind, who's someone she can count on. Just like those are the things you want in a wife. This is why anyone who tells you that girls only want bad boys, or you don't have to wait for marriage, or nice guys always finish last, they are full of complete and total nonsense, okay? I'm getting a little heated about this because people tell so many lies that hurt people over and over and over again. They don't lead you to what you actually want. Yes, it's true that low quality women, toxic women, women who are not looking for a happy lifelong relationship, yes, those things matter to them. They like bad boys all day long. However, a high value woman, a woman who has so much love to give and she wants to give it to you forever. That kind of woman, yeah, she needs a man who has moral integrity, a man who's kind, a man who's gentle, a man who's good. So always ask yourself what kind of woman you're trying to attract, and only take advice that will help you get that kind of woman. When you are a man who is kind and gentle and good and morally clean and loyal, that is how you win the heart of a good woman. That is how you make her want to love you forever. And certainly, the bedroom is going to be a million times more amazing because you both feel emotionally safe. That trust is there. You win her heart by who you are. That's what matters most to high quality, high value, good women. Now, by now, at this point, you might be thinking, okay, Melannie, I can see that. That makes sense, right? But Melannie, how do I find that high value woman? How in the world, like, where is she? Is that what you're thinking right now? I'm here to help you with this as well. As a matter of fact, that's one of the main reasons I created Attracting Lasting Love Academy, is to teach you how to find that high value woman. So if you're struggling to meet her, to find those types of women, then you must know the secrets I teach you in that academy. It's an online program, all online, so that it works around your schedule. It's fast, it's easy. You can get those answers in the shortest time possible. Again, to learn more about that, what it is, why it works, watch my free masterclass at coachmelannie.com/masterclass. There's also a link in the description below, and I will put a link in the pinned comment. Stop wasting time trying to guess what the answer is. I've put the answers together for you in one easy place. So learn more about that in that free masterclass. Thank you so much for watching, my amazing friend. If you haven't yet, subscribe and ring that notification bell. And I'd love it if you'd give me a big thumbs up. I want to hear from you in the comments. More videos like this? If I should, comment "win her heart" in the comments below. And as always, leave any questions or thoughts in the comments as well. If you don't yet follow me on social media, there are links in the description below. Make sure you especially follow me on Instagram because I share exclusive content in my stories there. Do you have a friend who needs to know how to win a girl's heart? If you do, make sure you share this with him. It's going to help him so much, right? Thank you so much again, my amazing friend, and have an amazing day. Okay, here we go. Are we ready? I think we're ready. A little happy dance makes you more ready. I have to fix my hair and then we can keep going. Okay, now I'm good. Hair is a high priority. I'm just saying. And flirting is something you should be doing through your entire relationship. It's not something you do just to get the girl. So now is the right time to learn how to flirt and how to I don't know what that was. Okay. 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 Yes. Go me. Woohoo. Yeah. I told you, happy dances make everything all better. Try it right now. Do it. Nobody's watching. Even if they are watching, it'd be funnier. Let's be real. Okay, I'm getting off. I'm done.